Welcome to week 5. I think this is a bit of a simpler week than what I've been giving you up until now. There's only one thing you need to accomplish this week, and it is your audience focus assignment. All right, and this is a big piece of helping you get underway on your website. So let's just jump right into the document. All right. So in the team announcement last week, you told me who you're working with and what your theme and focus and who you think your audience might be. This week, we're going to really hone in on that and get you to think about who your audience is, what their needs are, and how you will accomplish them best. So you have said that you will focus on someone in a future professional setting or a current student in your program. So just read this over and know that who you are planning your website is specific. For this assignment, you might want to think of a group of people or one single individual who would be using this website. It might be a technologically based website, helping people understand a concept. It might be an ethics-based website, helping people avoid pitfalls in their behavior in your field. This is up to you, what you want to focus on. But this is the time to do it. And as you answer these questions about what you want for your topic of your site and who the site is for, answer the question also, how will your website benefit this person? Is it educating them? Is it assisting them? Is it a tool that they can use to guide others? What is it that you're doing? So a couple of things that you will need to do is review these articles for ideas on how to get to know your audience better. And these two are also related in that they are about organizing your ideas and creating an acceptable tone of voice for your writing in your website and how you want to communicate with that chosen audience. So, to complete the analysis of who you think your audience will be, I want you to answer the following questions. What level or style of language will be appropriate? Who are you speaking to? Are they post-secondary educated, or are they even more educated than that? Can you use industry-specific language with them? Should it be formal or informal? What is the normal style for websites that are geared towards your industry? Will you be dealing with many international users, users with disabilities? These are all things that you need to consider, and I want you to come up with at least 3 points regarding the language level and style that you should be using. The next question is about demographics. Age, gender, geographic location, technological ability, whether or not this is something for professionals who will be deeply interested, or if it's something that will be a tool to be used by the public, by people in your industry. These are all things that I want you to consider as you write. And again, come up with at least 3 points to cover the demographics. Next, what communication style will make your most appealing and easily understood? What is sensible? Can you use humor? Are you going to need to persuade and convince people? Can you be casual? Do you need to be very dictatorial and formal about it? What style is appropriate? And give me the reasons why for at least 2 points to earn the marks. And the last one, what needs are you planning to fulfill? What is it? What style are you using? What are you hoping to accomplish by having them visit your website? What will they come away now knowing or finding that they have used? All right. So to answer all of this, you can formulate it in full sentences in one paragraph. Okay. This doesn't need to be in report format. It can just be a simple paragraph after you've read over the articles and reviewed the questions. So where are your marks coming from? At least 3 points for language ability, at least 3 points for demographic, at least 2 points in communication style, and a couple of points about why your user will be using the site. And that is where your mark comes from. If you have chosen to work with a partner, please have only one of the partners submit this and include both names on the document. Where you're going to submit this week is just here in Assignments, the Week 5 folder. Just click on the title and it will take you to this page that you've used before. Browse to the local file, choose your Word or PDF document, and upload. And once it is there, I will grade it. I will email the class once the grades are available. You can go into My Grades and view your written feedback and the grade that you and you individually or you and your partner have received. Have a good week. Thank you.